Here we have a mid-70s, probably cased 1830 skid steer. Nice paint, pretty good shape. The tires, I would say, are about 50% or better on all four. Unit looks to be in good shape. Doing this for a friend of mine. I don't see any obvious hydraulic leaks. Comes with a 5-foot bucket. Bucket's in good shape. Its cutting edge is a little bit worn. Not perfect, but perfectly functional. Comes with a set of forks as well. And you can hear it runs nice, and we'll put it through the paces here a little bit for you to have a look. Good hydraulics, good lift, got hand controls. Runs nice. The owner's, I know, meticulous, keeps his equipment in good shape. He bought another skid steer, so this one's for sale. You see, it'll bring the front wheels off the ground, and now he's going to put it through the paces. Even the lights work on it. That's pretty good. See if I can do some camera work here. You can see it runs nice, sounds nice, looks good. Got about 1,200 pound lifting capacity, about a 32 horsepower gasoline engine. So you can see it in action. Located in Webster, Wisconsin. You'll see it on Craigslist. See, it's very maneuverable. I think that gives you a pretty good look. Take a look, check it out on Craigslist. A lot of fun for somebody.